Chris Orn here on the 2020 215 XSF from Scout. Start here at the transom. We have a Yamaha 150 dual swim platform with a swim ladder. Obviously, with it being a fishing boat, you do have rod holders throughout the transom here. You have a fold down seat which allows you to travel with some folks or bring it up so when you're fishing you get a little more room. You also have your Yeti cooler with the upgraded leaning post. Moving to the helm, as you can see, you got your fold down bolster so you can use it as a lean-to or sit up a little higher to see over top the windshield. You have a Garmin GPS along with your Fusion stereo. Nice knob here, makes docking a lot easier. Little thing unique with this boat, it does not have the top, so you have the ability to put this in rack storage easier, or if you have bridge clearance issues. Keep on moving forward. Go to the center of the boat. You can put a porta potty in here, and you also have ample storage. Another great feature on this boat is the coffin box. This is awesome for lounging, but as you can see, there's also a ton of storage with the drain. So you do have this insulated so it can be a cooler or just some storage. Nice backrest here for, again, more passengers, more comfort. Moving all the way forward to the anchor locker. As you can see, you have a great spot here to drop your anchor in. Throw it out to either swim or to fish, and then put it back away. Thank you for taking the tour of the 2020 Scout 215 XSF. Please give us a call for a demo or take a look at this on our website. Thank you.